In 2023, how much will Stepn really be worth? Should you buy Stepn in 2023? Is it a good investment? Will GMT prices in general do a lot better than their all-time high? Is what most people think about Stepn and costs for GMT's future really different? So they thought. The Stepn conjecture cost and expert examination showed that the GMT price will not go above a normal value level of 54 in 2023. At the end of this year, the average lowest value of Stepn should be 52 cents, while the highest value of GMT can hit 60 cents. Most people thought that the price of Stepn could go up to 43 cents. The average exchange rate between Stepn and USD was 41 cents, which is a very important way to measure the value of Stepn. In May 2023, Stepn could cost as much as 45 cents, which is a very big number. In May 2023, the cheapest GMT will cost 41 cents, and the average price will be 43 cents. Stepn value expected June 2023 Stepn price and a real census measure to get a straight-up lowest price of 43 cents for June 2023. The GMT price could hit a high of 47 cents, which is kind of a big deal. The average expected price is around 44 cents, which is also kind of a big deal. Stepn value expected July 2023. In July 2023, the average price of Stepn should be between 44 cents and 49 cents, while the average price of GMT stays around 45 cents. Stepn gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the Stepn price could go as low as 45 cents and as high as 51 cents, both of which are very high. In August 2023, the average price of GMT is likely to be 47 cents. So, will the GMT price step and value easily beat its all-time high in a very big way? September 2023 instead of September 2023, the average price of Stepn is estimated to be 49 cents, but it could go as high as 53 cents or as low as 47 cents, which is a pretty big range. GMT value figure November 2023. November 2023, most people think the GMT price could go as high as 58 cents, but the average price is closer to 52 cents. GMT value figure December 2023. The Stepn prediction for December 2023 says that, contrary to what most people think, the GMT may really hit its highest value of 60 cents, with a real least cost of about 52 cents. Talk about what kind of normal value GMT has. Based on what the house price and EPN value say, GMT can usually go up to 54 cents in December. May 2023, the highest price for Stepn could be around 45 cents. This is important because the price of Stepn has dropped by 1.23 in the last 24 hours. These are their Stepn price estimates for GMT's future. In the last month, the price of GMT has gone down by 6.861%. It's a big fall. In the last week, the price of GMT has dropped by 3.76%, which is a big change. This sudden drop means that the coin is in a slump right now, which is very important because it could be a good time to buy in for a quick venture. The price went from 22 cents to 24 cents in 90 days, which is a change of about 37.3%. After 90 days, the price went up to 43 cents, but the average rate of exchange was only 41 cents. Stepn is about 10.5%, with the average price of a coin being around 39 cents at its best and 37 cents at its lowest. It will be interesting to see if GMT values can beat their all-time high in the next 4 months. This is important for working out how much Stepn will be worth in 2023. Stepn has a good chance of getting to big new levels. According to experts and business analysts, it seems possible that GMT will grow and gain value in a simple way. Stepn can usually make a lot of noise around town without spending any money. They thought it would be worth it to buy in 2023 based on how these kinds of steps and costs are likely to change in GMT's future. In every way that matters, the point of Stepn is to keep going as long as there isn't enough money. Rise, which means that an EPN value estimate for October 2023 and October 2nd is going up. Because of this, Bitcoin quickly went below a key support level at $28,500 and hit its lowest point since April 27. Overall, the price of Bitcoin is still almost 4% higher than it was at the same time last week, when it was close to $27,000. Because of today's sell-off, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has fallen to 50.00, which is its own bottom. The index is now at 50.09, and BTC is selling at $28,591.66. It has come back from its earlier low. Not only was BTC in the red, but Ethereum, ETH, prices also fell for the second day in a row. ETH/USD hit its lowest point of the day at $1,829.41, less than 24 hours after dealing at its highest point of $1,938.42. Like BTC, Ethereum went below its own point of support at the $1,830 level after today's drop. Since then, ETH has climbed back up from this floor because bulls decided to buy on the dip instead of continuing to sell. This was helped by the fact that the RSI here also hit a support zone at 45.00, and it continues to track past this point. In the coming days, bulls will likely try to get back above $1,900. Bitcoin started the week in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the United States. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for April will be released. Today, Ethereum was also worth less than it was yesterday. So, what should you do if you already have Bitcoin in your portfolio? Should you run a mile or have high hopes that Bitcoin will soon bounce back to its best levels? In this detailed article, we explain what people who want to invest in Bitcoin, which is still selling at 50% less than its highest point, need to do. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, BTC, the king of cryptocurrencies, has had a rough year in 2022. Bitcoin shot past $69,000 in November 2021, when it was at its highest point. It is now hanging around $30,000, which is the highest it has been since June 2022. In the wake of FTX's collapse, Bitcoin is working hard and has been able to keep up despite a lot of pressure on the market and confusion around the world. Overall, the cryptocurrency market has been going down and has been very unstable since FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, shut down. Aside from the FTX crash, the rising interest rates and fears of inflation have also done a lot to keep the prices of cryptocurrencies low. After last year's deadly November crash, when Bitcoin was trading between $16,000 and $18,000, it has now gone up by almost 80%. On the other hand, BTC is still worth almost 50% less than it was in November 2021, when it hit its all-time high.